What's up, guys? It's your boy Matt here with another prank video. Today I am going to be doing the gasping prank on Nikki. She's currently not in the car with me. We are going to go get Dunkin' Donuts and take the dogs to the park. So when I'm driving, I'm just going to gasp. Sorry guys, we just that's why I need Dunkin' Donuts coffee. But she doesn't know that I'm doing the intro right now, so we are going to be doing a second intro with her in it, so she don't think anything's up, because we planned on vlogging today, and so I'm going to do this prank on her. So I came out to the car early to get it unlocked and everything, and I'm about to start it. So when she comes out here, I'll tune back in, and sorry for the 2 intros, but you know, I can't make her think anything's up. So please give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to turn your post notifications on so you don't miss any of our videos. And let's get into this prank, because she should be coming out anytime. She was just putting harnesses on the dog. Let's get it.
What's up, guys? It's your Nikki. I'm back with another banger. I'm here with
Matt.
So today he wanted to do a vlog video. So
yeah,
let's just bring you guys along with us today. We literally just woke up. What the fuck are you doing?
What?
What did you just do?
I don't know. But I'm gonna start driving to Dunkin' Donuts. That's where we're going.
Alright, let's go. We'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so lately we haven't been posting because we had some stuff going on. But now we're going to be posting on more lately and having more bangers. Our subscribers are going up to the wall now. So thank you guys for all the support. You got anything to say?
Let him chill. Look. Wow, that was hard.
I can't get it to stay.
Yeah, that's why you can tell she's part blind. Oh, did I say that out loud? Oops. Why'd you do that?
Why are you over dramatic today?
What are you getting?
A large, medium iced coffee.
No, you're not.
Because they're freaking, what are they called?
We're not getting anything.
You forgot the wallet?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Joking.
Oh, I thought you really did. You
pranked her.
What do they have? What do they usually have? Iced coffee, not the iced coffee, but the frozen coffees. And they always taste like they're burnt. Like the coffee's burnt. Like, you should know better by now. Light points. But yeah, guys, we're gonna be posting more, and we got some lit videos coming your guys' way. So
this line's ridiculous.
we're almost there. We're literally a car away from where we.
Takes too long. I could have went to the gas station and got coffee by now.
Don't break your car.
Swipe. You guys want to see my card numbers? Kidding.
thought. Real hard. Yeah.
Today, Junior?
This freaking person up here has kayaks.
She's ordering the menu and half of another menu.
Looks like they're gonna have some fun today.
Put down below if you want to see a kayak video.
Please don't comment down below. I'm scared to go kayak video.
If this video gets 3 likes, she'll go kayaking.
No, let's make it like
No, 3.
10
3.
likes.
3.
No, we already bust 3 already. We have
3.
We have 5 other
3.
videos.
3 likes.
No.
And she's going kayaking.
And 100 comments.
Nope. 3 likes.
No.
Yeah.
No.
You're going kayaking.
No.
Why, you don't like your fans enough?
I do, but
Nope. Then you'll agree on
we
it.
don't even have a GoPro.
We're buying one.
When?
Next week.
This week?
Yeah, the week, the next, it's Sunday, so next week.
Sunday.
Yeah, Monday starts the week.
What day though? I've been wanting
Guys,
a GoPro.
I need power steering. Oh, you think you're cool because you drive a Mustang. Fag.
You think you're cool? You drive a Mazda 6.
That's turbo. It's faster than your car.
Come on my feet.
Yeah.
Guys, right now I can't get my license because I think I can now.
No, she's just too scared.
No, it's just because the
She's a
DMV was
Look, there's our dog Prince.
the DMV was like not
Are you
letting
getting
people
food?
in. No, I
Why?
had a pop up.
You're American.
Shut up! I'm not. What?
What?
Why'd you do that?
I look good.
What the heck?
What do you want?
Oh yeah, ice cream.
Hi, thanks for stopping. Go ahead with your order whenever you're ready.
What kind?
Caramel.
Can I get a medium caramel iced coffee with 4 creams and 4 sugar?
No problem.
A large caramel iced coffee with 4 and 4? And two sausage, egg, and cheese wake up wraps.
A sausage, egg, and cheese bagel or croissant? Oh, a wake up wrap?
Yeah, 2 of them.
Okay.
And that's it. Nope.
Okay. 8687 is the first window. Go ahead and pull forward.
I'm kidding.
My car smells like it's gonna catch on fire.
But it's not a good temp.
Yeah. No, it's good. It's a good thing. That just means more horsepower. It shoots flames. That means more horsepower, right? So if the flames are coming from the engine, that means they got more horsepower building up. That's not true. I hope you didn't believe that.
I know, I'm not stupid. I started on football too.
So guys, who all comment down below and give this video a like if you have a pet dog that you love. No, because I want to make sure that it gets 3 likes so you can kayaking.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yep.
No.
You already agreed.
Guys, make sure you guys don't like the video.
Our dog's getting mad. There's another dog over there. Okay, Prince.
What's taking forever?
No, my foot's falling asleep.
Oh, I want to clean this out.
Yeah, clean
A
it out.
freaking ding a mask. It's all about masks nowadays.
The coronavirus.
Squirt. Oh, here we go. We're getting careful.
687.
too.
That's weird, your phone vibrated, so it's right away. I'm like, did you get the card back yet? Oh yeah, let me show them the military stuff. Where we live, guys? Look, it's the military trucks. The military guy that was walking.
There's two of them.
No, there was one right here. Those two of them right there. And then there's another one filling up on fuel. Ain't that cool? Yeah. Yeah. What, babe?
You fucking jit me out on one of these things.
They only got you one?
Yeah, I asked for two.
Well, good thing you're on a diet.
Look at that guy. That's goofy looking dude.
You just want goofy? That's mean. What?
This thing is straight fire.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Don't look that good.
It's hot as shit. Burn my fingers.
Why is
That's
that?
strong.
Alright guys, Matt's gonna stuff his face in with that. And we're gonna drink some coffee and then we're gonna go to a park and let the dogs run. What?
It's so good.
It's actually good.
Mine is.
Tastes pretty good. Alright guys, we'll see
Why
you
are
guys
they looking
at
at me?
Sherrod and we'll be back. What?
Why are they looking at me?
They're like, these motherfucking vloggers. No, they can't see us through this window. We got 5%.
They're looking at us.
Alright guys.
They're jealous?
Yeah.
$6.
Alright guys, we're at the park as you guys can tell. Our dog's freaking out. Is that way it goes? They're ready to go run. So let's go and make them run for a bit. Come on. Come on, Brent. Nope. Brent knows better. I'm not sure. Alright, now they're out. There they go. Off they go. Running machines. Yep, we still have the Mazda for it now, guys. We're gonna be trading it. What, babe?
What?
What? Why'd you do that?
My body hurts.
Why'd you go?
Oh, night, no.
we're down by the beach. Dog's down here. What?
What?
Why are you doing that?
Because it's a prank on you. I'm freaking you out all day.
What is the prank?
It's called the Gasping prank. I've seen it on Riss and Quan.
Oh my god, I forgot that they did that video. God damn it, babe. Damn it, he got me. Alright guys, I got more prank videos coming our way for him, so that was nothing. No, nothing. I'll get him back, trust me. But yeah, we're down here by the beach. Usually we come down here because on the other side there's usually people down there, other dogs. But when we usually go down here, there's never a beach. And there's actually a beach down here, and it's sick. But they're out there swimming right now, so. Well, he got me today. He got a prank on me. So now, babe, I'm gonna have to prank you.
I got the corona.
Yeah, you do. Alright guys, we're gonna let the dogs swim for a little bit longer, and yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and we'll be posting more often now because you guys are showing us so much support. You guys want us to put videos out there. You guys are telling us what to put out there. So just stay tuned guys, and we'll see you guys on the next one. And look at this beautiful view. Peace! They're rushing in before the storm comes. They're racing. That's funny. There's more boats coming in over there. Oh, there's another little boat out there.
Frank, get out of here.
Could be a storm.
Yo, we should probably get back to the spot before it starts pouring.